The disallowed values in rational expressions. We must be careful to avoid the denominator being 0 when dealing with rational expressions. Since the denominator in rational expression contains a polynomial, we have to reject the zeros of the polynomial from the set of possible values of the variable. By definition, the values of the variable for which the denominator of a rational expression becomes 0 are called disallowed values. As mentioned, these values represent the zeros of the polynomial contained in the denominator of the given rational expression. For example, in the rational expression, we have the following shown on screen. We must find the zeros of the polynomial q, x, before making any substitution, to avoid dealing with disallowed values. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. This expression becomes 0 for x equals 1 and x equals 2. Hence, they are disallowed values for the original rational expression. This means we can substitute the variable with all numbers except 1 and 2. Example. Find the disallowed values for the following rational expressions. We have the following shown on screen. Solution. A. We have to consider only the denominator of the given rational expression when looking for disallowed values. More specifically, we have to find which values of the variable x the denominator becomes 0. This means finding the roots, zeros, of the polynomial q, x, equals x squared minus 25. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. The roots of this polynomial are x equals minus 5 and x equals 5. These values also correspond to the disallowed values of the original rational expression. B. Again, we have to consider only the denominator of the given rational expression when looking for disallowed values. This means we have to find the zeros of the denominator. We have the following shown on screen. We have a equals 3, b equals minus 5 and c equals minus 2. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. Since the discriminant is positive, the polynomial q, x, has two zeros, roots. We have the following shown on screen. And we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 11.4.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.4.4, How to Simplify Rational Expressions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.